Hello, this is Durant at VeniceForVisitors.com with another in a series of walking directions to hotels in Venice, Italy. Today's destination is the Hotel Canal Walter. You'll start your walk in the Piazzale Roma, which is the gateway for motorized traffic other than trains arriving in Venice. Right here, straight ahead of us, is the People Mover station in the bottom of a large parking garage. The People Mover is an automated tram that comes from the Maritima cruise terminals and the Tronchetto parking island. And sweeping around here slowly, you'll see more parking garages and buses. Right now, a bus is arriving from Venice Marco Polo Airport. And there's another one parked up here right ahead of us already that goes to Treviso Airport. And here it comes, the airport bus. If you're coming from Marco Polo Airport, you'll probably arrive on that ATVO airport shuttle from the airport. And farther ahead, you'll see trees. And that's where you'll probably be walking if you're going to a hotel in Venice. As you leave the airport bus, cross the street in front of the bus to the tram station. Watch out for buses as you cross. Immediately turn right onto the first platform and walk toward the trees ahead of you. At the end of the platform, cross zebra stripe. Watch out for buses. Walk straight ahead toward the stone bridge. On the right side of the bridge, you can see an accessible ramp. This is great if you have luggage, or obviously if you have a wheelchair or a stroller. Otherwise, just go up the steps. And they're very gentle steps. This is one of the easier bridges to cross in Venice. Continue down the steps of the bridge, and you're going to turn left at the bottom and follow the lady in the black coat and purple hat. You walk along the canal on your left, and on your right is a brick wall of a public park. Just keep walking, and as the curves round the corner up ahead, follow the curve. You're passing a green bridge on your left, and you're going to go past this lamppost and the souvenir stand, again following the curve. Round to your right. And this, by the way, is the Grand Canal. And the railroad station is up ahead and to your left. But we're going to walk straight ahead on this pavement. At the next bridge, cross and follow the lady in the black coat and purple hat. Go straight ahead when you reach the bottom of the bridge. Go all the way and along the Grand Canal. And here we are at the Hotel Canal Walter. For more step-by-step walking directions with maps, go to VeniceHotelDirections.com. For a complete travel guide to Venice, Italy, see VeniceForVisitors.com.